This tutorial will walk you through the process of adding a course survey in Foundation LMS. A survey is administered as the last step of the course before a student downloads their certificate. Navigate to Online Courses by clicking Courses, then Online. Navigate to your course and click the Builder icon. Under Survey, click Add New to add a survey. If you do not see a survey option here, ensure that the evaluation survey is enabled in the requirements section. Now we'll begin adding questions to our survey. Click the Survey Type field to select a survey question type. Nearly all of the survey types are Likert scale question types, where the student will be able to rate an item or items on a scale. Other question types include text, multiple choice, and label. We are going to add a Likert scale question in which the student will rate only the survey question text. Enter your survey question. Enable the as required option to make the question mandatory. Now we'll click Save and Add New to add another question. Now we are going to add a Likert scale question in which the student will rate multiple items. Select your survey type and type in your question. Enable has multiple rating items. This will allow you to add the items to be rated. Type in the item to be rated. Then click Add to add another item. Repeat this step until all items have been added. If you accidentally add them in the wrong order, you can click to drag them to the correct sequence. Click Save and Add New to add another question. This time we'll add a multiple choice question. Select multiple choice from the survey type field, and type in your question. Enable Allow Other option. When this feature is enabled, students will have the option to add a text response when they answer the question, if, for example, none of the answer choices are appropriate. Enable can select multiple answers. When this feature is enabled, students will be able to select multiple answer options. Type in the answer option. Then click Add to add another answer option. Repeat this step until all answer options have been added. If you accidentally add them in the wrong order, you can click to drag them to the correct sequence. When you've finished adding your last question, click Save to return to the course builder. You can easily preview the question details from the course builder. Click Expand beneath the question. The question will expand to show you the question type, required status, and multiple answer status. Click Hide to collapse the question. You can easily reorder survey questions if needed. Just click anywhere inside a question box and drag to the desired location. Question numbering will be reordered and saved automatically. You can also edit or delete questions using the pencil icon and the trash can icon respectively. Now we'll preview the survey as a student so you can see how the question formatting will look to students as they take the survey. Click Actions, then Preview as student. Click Survey in the learning path to access the survey. These questions are Likert questions with one item to be rated. This is a multiple choice question with the Allow Other option enabled. Students can select this answer option and type their answer in the field provided. Finally, here is a Likert scale question in which there are multiple items to be rated. Click the Back to Builder button to return to the course builder. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to add a course survey in Foundation LMS.